are at the botanical garden. He's over here. Come on, Santi.
That little boy thought he was his mom.
Really?
That's why he was beside her.
I'm happy his hands aren't. Come on, Santi. Wait, hold up. Come on, Santi. You know something?
You do some ballet?
Act like you're playing the music. Whoa. That's beautiful.
Stop, Will. Back here.
Oh, look, you can touch it now. Guys, hola a todos. Oh my gosh, my camera's at 3%. Well, I just want to say this really fast before it dies. I just wanted, today's Thursday, so I'm not going to be vlogging much today. I just wanted to come on here and say happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. I'm very grateful and thankful this year, especially for you, all my subscribers, and for everyone, you know, that watches my videos and, you know, takes time out of their day to just see what I'm up to. So thank you guys so much. I hope y'all had an amazing Thanksgiving. By the time this video's uploaded, it'll be past Thanksgiving. So I hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving. Enjoy time with your family and don't take things for granted, even though, you know, have what you have. That is a blessing, because you know, not everyone is as blessed as everyone's individual situation. So give thanks to God for all the blessings that he has given me. For example, in my life, I'm super grateful for my family, for my kids, Bella and Santi, for Javier, for my parents, for my sister, for Zeke, and just for everyone in my life. So yeah, guys, have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Guys, I have to share this on here. So I was just on my phone. I posted a picture earlier. This one on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go follow me. Link is in the description. This one. But I also put it on my story, and I tagged like Beauty Bird and you can see it good, Beauty Bird and Shoutout, because I was wearing the boots, the booty she has with them. And I did it one time before, but she didn't see it or whatever. I just put it on my pictures. But I got a notification all of a sudden that, hold up, give me a second. Let me go to my, I got a notification all of a sudden, hold up. Oh my god, that Beauty Bird, I can't get it to, that Beauty Bird mentioned me in her story, and she like put heart eyes. But I am like, I can't, because I love her, like I really do. Me and my sister always like talk about her and stuff. Like I'm literally, you go to her, what is going on? So yeah, look right there, you can see where, oh my god, why is it not, why is my camera not focusing? I have to share this on camera. This is big for me. Why is it not? Well, anyways, it gave me the notification, and I'm just like, I can't. Like, you literally go to her and like go through her story and like, look, there's nobody me. Wait, hold up. Look at that. Nobody me is on Beauty Bird's story. Like, I cannot believe this. Oh, I feel so special, because I really like do love her. Like, me and my sister always like talking about her, and I'm just like, you know, she's very humble, you know, for how far she is and how big she is. Like, she's very humble. Like, I can relate to her a lot, like when she posts her vlogs, her family, because she's Mexican and I am too, and I'm like, I relate to her a lot, and I'm just like, she's so humble, and I look up to her, to be honest. Like, she's the bomb. Like, I love her. She's one of like the first YouTubers that I got into as far as makeup and stuff, and I've been watching her since then. So I feel so special. Like, nobody me. I love that. But yeah, that was my little moment. Hey guys, I'm looking a hot mess right now, but we came to Target right now because I need to get a couple things. Something needs diapers. We ran out of his deal diapers we got that one time, so we're at Target right now. He's Isabella. Santi's, we're about to get him out, so yeah, we'll talk to you guys inside. It looks like it's pretty packed, so we'll see. Alright, bye. They still have deals going on here. $4 little basic top, $6 long sleeve. I think their jeans are also on sale.
You need to wipe Santi's nose. Oh. I think it was when he sneezed.
Just check it out. Hello. Oh no, it's right there.
No.
I don't have nothing to do with it, so I'll just get it with it.
It's weird that someone would leave that there, though.
Yeah.
It's very good. Oh.
I just ordered a leopard jacket. Can't wait to get it. Get on.
Hello. I was gonna go see something. Guys, it's weird because there was this like blue slime. So we were walking. There's my Swedish fish. I'll come back and pop
I think I got it when you got out. It's because you've eating too much Doritos.
I'm the burrito queen. Let me hop out. Let's hold it. But guys,
These are 20 cardigans.
the slime over here.
This one's cute.
Slime. Guys, look. So we were just walking along right here, and then I looked up in here and I said, "Is that slime?" And Mara said, "I don't know." And I said, "Can I touch it?" And she says, "Sure." And I touched it and it's slime.
Yep.
Well, it doesn't even stretch, so it's not that good. I think it's putty,
Probably.
but I'm not taking it. It's not good.
Got some little bags here on clearance. Oh, just shocked you.
Shocked me.
You have ankle boots, 15. They still have a lot of stuff, which is weird. 20%. I have those $10. Those are good too. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I'm looking. Let me take this jacket off. I can't even move in it. What was I gonna say? Well, yeah, today is Sunday. I'm trying to have the camera, if that is even possible. Today is Sunday. I went to church today, and then we came to see our venue. Our possible venue for the wedding. I'm so excited. I don't want to show anything or nothing like that because I don't want to give it away. I want to wait till that day or till after the day, you know, to have a video made for it. So yeah, I'm really excited. Santi's back there. He's out of the car seat since we're here at the venue. We're just parked so he wouldn't get tired. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'll talk to you guys later because it's awkward. Javier's talking to the guy, so I'm so excited. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so we just got home. I'm in the bathroom. Santi's taking a little bath, so yeah, I wanted to just close out the video. So basically, I think we found our venue. I'm really excited about it. Like, there's a certain type of style and all that I want for my wedding. You know, you always dream about your big day since you're little, so I have certain things that I really want for our wedding. I wanted to there for a while, like do like a sit down video saying like what all I want to do or like what colors and theme I'm going for, but I think I'd rather not because I don't know, I just want to save it for the big day, you know. I don't want to give anything away, so I'm so excited and I can't wait. He's milk or something. But yeah guys, I'm so excited. The day is almost here. Well, not even like 9 months, but you know, 9 months go by so fast, so I can't wait. Maybe I will do a video like, you know, on a dress or like details about that, or I don't know, but I do want to start a little wedding series, but I kind of have to sit down and see what I would want to talk about because like I said, I don't want to give too much away. So yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, so we just got home, just settling in right now, and yeah, I'm just really excited. Right, Sandy? Sandy loves bath time. He loves the water, so. What? So yeah, I guess tomorrow's Monday. My school week starts, but I have like 2 more weeks of school, so can't complain. I'm so excited and ready to get it over with and just have like the month off and get my thoughts together. I feel like get way more into the wedding because I've just been so busy with school and stuff. But yeah guys, anyways, that's all for this week's vlog. It's probably gonna be a short vlog days, but that's all for this week's video. It's probably, like I said, it's probably gonna be a short one. I'm starting it off since Thursday. The little clips that I got of the botanical garden, and Friday I don't think I vlogged. Saturday I did a little bit, and then today a little bit again. So but yeah, I still want to get a vlog out there. I want to stay consistent with my uploading. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and taking time out of your day to watch my videos and be a part of my life. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Please make sure, if you haven't, to subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and comment some video ideas or anything y'all would like to see from me. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Say bye, Santi. Say bye. Santi. Santi, say bye. Say bye. He's like, no. Alright, bye guys.